In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create awesome tracing letters using Canva. Canva is a great online design tool that's both user-friendly and incredibly versatile, even for beginners. So, if you haven't already explored it, this tutorial will walk you through every step you need to master this handy technique. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to the Canva website. If you're not logged in yet, take a moment to sign into your account. Just click on the Login button and enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the familiar Canva dashboard. From here, navigate to the left side menu and click on the plus Create button. This sets the stage for our creative session today. Once inside the design tool, you'll see an option for Print Products. Give that a click. Today, we're going to focus on creating a simple yet effective A4 canvas. Now, select A4 Portrait. This gives us a great standard size to start with, perfect for our project. Now, with our canvas set up, it's time to start crafting. First, focus your attention on the left side panel and click on Text. Once you're there, let's add a heading. You'll notice Canva offers a variety of text options, but for now, we'll keep it straightforward. Now, go ahead and type in the letter you want. For this demonstration, let's start with the letter A. Remember, you can be creative and experiment with different letters or even words. Now, let's reveal the secret behind our tracing letters. The magic lies in the font style. On your floating toolbar at the top, hover your mouse to the left and click on Font. This area is where you can dive into a world of creative fonts, but focus especially on finding KG primary penmanship. If you have any trouble, just type KG into the search bar and you'll find it in no time. Next, click on KG Primary Dots Lined. This font style is perfect for creating tracing letters and has a playful yet educational feel to it. Now that we have our desired font, type in as many letters as needed until they fill up your canvas area. You can play around with the arrangement until you're satisfied with the layout. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've created a fun and educational tracing letter resource using Canva. You can print it out and use it to help anyone practice their handwriting skills. With Canva's user-friendly interface, you can experiment further and create more complex designs as you grow more comfortable with the tool. Thanks for joining me, and happy designing!